Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're doing a deep dive into one of the most important parts of running your practice in Rehab Guru, treatment notes and forms. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your own templates from scratch, write and save treatment notes, embed files like scans and consent forms, send forms to clients manually or automatically, keep everything organized with cases, use smart fields to auto-update client records, and even build scored outcome measures with auto-calculation. There's a lot to cover, so if that sounds useful, hit subscribe and let's jump straight in. Before we can write any notes, it helps to have a template ready. So let's start there. From the left-hand menu, head to Account, then Content Management, then Forms. This is your Forms hub, and it's where everything we build today lives. You've got two ways to create a template. The fastest is to clone one of Rehab Guru's sample forms. Pick something like the Review Appointment Sample and click Clone. Your copy instantly appears in your saved list at the top, and from there you just click Edit to make it your own. Inside the editor, you'll see the form is broken into sections, like a subjective examination section, and each section holds a set of prompts or questions. You can rename any prompt, mark it as required, or change its field type, and that field type is really powerful. You can switch a prompt to a paragraph, a text box, a file uploader, and more. If you need to shuffle things around, use the up and down arrows to reorder prompts, or duplicate a prompt when you want to reuse a similar question. You can also delete prompts you don't need, and you can duplicate or delete entire sections to quickly build out a consistent structure. If you'd rather start completely fresh, click Add New Template instead. Give your template a name, name your first section, and then click Add Question to start building, choosing the right field type for each one. Keep adding sections and prompts until it fits your workflow. When you're happy, click Save, and your template drops straight into your saved list, ready to use. Now, one feature I really want to highlight is embedding files directly into your notes, which is perfect for things like investigation reports, X-rays, or consent forms. To set this up, go back into Account, Content Management, Forms, and edit the template you want or clone a sample. In the editor, create a new line wherever you'd like the upload to sit. Give it a clear title like File Upload and change the field type to File. That single change drops a file uploader right into that spot in your note. You can repeat this anywhere in the form, so you might have one uploader for imaging and another for consent. When you're done, hit Save. Later, when you write a note using that template, you'll see those upload fields appear. Just click Upload one or more files. Choose the file from your device, click Open, and it's embedded right alongside the relevant client data. With our templates ready, let's actually write a note. Go to the client's page and click View next to your client to open their profile. In the left-hand menu, select Treatment Note, then click Create Note on the right. A drop-down appears listing every template you've cloned or created. Pick the one you want. And quick tip, if you need to tweak a template at this point, there's a Manage Templates option that takes you right back to the Forms section. Now just work through the prompts. Any field marked with a red asterisk is required, and you won't be able to save until those are filled in. When you're finished, you've got two save options. Save as draft, which keeps the note editable later, or save as final, which locks it down and prevents further edits. After saving, the Actions button lets you edit a draft or manage the quality of the note. One thing I love here, when you start a new note, your previous entries shift over to the right side of the screen so you can review past visits as you write. Need more room? Click the arrows to hide the menu bar and previous entries for a cleaner writing space, and use the quick search to filter by case or find a specific entry. Let's talk about cases, which are how you keep all of a client's related notes and forms grouped together, say everything tied to a lower back injury. When you save a new note or form, Rehab Guru prompts you to attach a case. If one already exists, just select it and click Attach to this case. If not, click Add a Case. Give it a name like lumbar pain. Add any notes or diagnostic codes, click Create, and then Attach. You can also assign cases after the fact. For a treatment note, open the note, click Actions, and choose Manage Client Cases. You'll see every case for that client, and you can attach a different one or create a new one. Keeping everything linked to the right case is what keeps a busy caseload organized. Forms are how you collect information from clients, and there are two ways to get them out. The manual method, open the client, select Forms from the left menu, click Create Form, pick your template from the drop-down, review it, and click Save. You'll attach it to a case just like before. Then the Actions button lets you send the form by email and track its status by color. Orange means not sent, yellow means sent, and green means completed. The automated method is great for scale. Go to Account Forms, select your form and click Copy Static URL. Then head to Account Customize, scroll to the Email Customization section, and paste that URL into the body of whichever emails you like, such as exercise program emails, expiration reminders, or appointment confirmations and reminders. Click Save, and from then on, the form goes out automatically, with responses landing in your Responses section. You can do the same thing for email templates tied to specific appointment types. When a client completes a form, it shows as submitted in green, and you can preview it in Responses. If their email is already in your system, Rehab Guru auto-assigns the form to their profile. If not, you click the client's name to assign it manually. To view all form responses, navigate to Client Communication, then Form Responses, where you can assign all unassigned forms. We'll come back to this later. Now here's a feature that saves a ton of admin: Smart Fields. These are special form fields mapped directly to client detail fields like first name, date of birth, email, phone, or address. When a client fills them in, those answers become candidate updates for their record. To add them, edit or create a form, add a question, and choose Smart Fields from the Field Type dropdown. Use Quick Add to drop in every available smart field at once, which is ideal for a full details refresh, or add them individually. There's also an auto-apply checkbox that automatically pushes the client's answers to their record. Save the template and send it using the static URL, just like any other form. Here's the important part on the review side. In client communication, form responses always preview a response before assigning it. That stops blank answers from wiping out good data. Then select exactly which answers to apply and click Apply Changes. And if a client's submitted detail differs from what's stored, a warning icon flags it, and you can use the three-dot menu, choose Update Patient Details, and pick which fields to overwrite, so you stay fully in control of what actually changes. Finally, let's build a Patient-Reported Outcome Measure, or PROM, complete with automatic scoring. Again, start in Forms. Browse the sample forms first, because many PROMs are pre-built with auto-calculation already done. If yours isn't there, click Add Template, name your PROM, and set up any sections. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll use one already built. For each question, write it in the PROM's format. For a single choice question, add the possible answers, and crucially, open Advanced Configuration to designate it as part of an outcome measure and assign a numerical value to each answer. Use Duplicate to quickly replicate similar questions. Just remember to update the values in Advanced Configuration each time. To score it automatically, click Add Question and choose Formula. Every question has a unique ID, something like $48FC, and you simply click the questions you want included. The system adds their values together, or you can customize the formula further. Click Save, and you've got a fully scored outcome measure. You can always come back to edit or delete it from your saved list. And that's the complete picture: templates, notes, embedded files, cases, sending forms manually and automatically, smart fields, and scored PROMs. Master these, and your documentation in Rehab Guru becomes faster, cleaner, and far more consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.